Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate Influx. Welcome to day number 9 of 30 days one funnel away challenge. On day number 8, we have learned how you can create a video about your product and how you can mention the details about your product in who, why, what and how format. So if you have not watched those videos, earlier videos, please go and watch them. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get all the notifications further. So let's start day number 9. So in day number 9, basically, we will learn how you can create a sales page in your ClickFunnels account. So in today's video, again, we'll see how it looks like in ClickFunnels. What are all the elements, rows in the ClickFunnels? So before going ahead, just keep in mind that in those 30 days of one funnel away challenge, you will learn how you can design your funnel. First, you will design your flagship framework. Then you will design order form bump and one-time offer one, one-time offer two, then thank you page, and then members area. So these are the things you are going to build by yourself in those 30 days. So this is the design of sales page. So basically in sales page, you will have a video talking about your product, and on that and below that you will have a buy button, and below that you will have some lines about your product, about the story, and again you can have few more elements, and again you can have a buy button one more time. So this is how a sales page will look like. And in today Russell Brunson talks about the closing technique. So there are three ways to close your deal or close your sales. So first one is emotional. So if you have noticed any of the ad in newspaper or in even online space, so the first part will be emotional part, where you will connect yourself with the product. They will tell about the story, about features, about the usage of the product, so that you will emotionally connect to that product. And by surprise, 50% of the sales comes from that emotional part. After the emotional part, and the second part will be the logical part, where they will tell all the logics why you should buy that product. So 25% sales come from that logical reasoning, or you can say like logical closing sales. And apart from that, there will be 25% people who will buy out of scarcity or fear or urgency. When you say that this deal will be closing soon, or maybe it is only for today, it is only for tomorrow. So rest 25% deal will be closing due to that fear or scarcity or the urgency. So now this is how it looks like. Like first, as I said, like emotional closing will be there, where you can say like story about your product, you can tell about your product. And in the second part, as I said, like logical reasoning will be there. And in the third part, there will be urgency or scarcity. So this is how the ClickFunnels web page look like. There will be three sections, like three colors will be there. So all these sections will be colored with green color, and then rows will be colored with like blue color, and elements will be of orange color. So we will look how it looks like. So this is how your ClickFunnels web page looks like. You will have sections. So in the sections, as we discussed, like there will be, some emotional closing, and you can say like logical closing section, and you can have a fear or out of urgency closing section. So those all are sections which will be presented as in green color, and inside that section, you will have some rows. So there will be different rows. There will be rows for logos, rows for menu, and rows for headlines. So all those rows will be shown in blue color. And apart from that, there will be elements. So like logo is an element, menu is an element, and headlines is an element, video, image, slogan, message, all are the elements. They will be orange color. So this is how a ClickFunnels web page looks like. And now comes the assignment. So as per the assignment, you will need to download the template of the funnel, and you need to add your own video or your own element into that funnel. So at the end of this day, you will have a raw format of your sales page. And also you will see some videos about the how you can add all those elements in your funnel, how you can use the software. So this day will be very, very important because this will be the first day when you are doing that hands-on. So please do not miss this day. And if or these are all the things which I am telling you, it is just a brief about the day. If you want to learn more about one funnel away challenge or the sales funnel or the how to build funnels, you need to join the 30 days program of one funnel away challenge. So if you want to join one funnel away challenge, please comment on this video, or you can find the link in description. Please go and join and you will get exciting bonuses from my side. So this is all for day number 9. I'll meet you in day number 10. Till then, take care. Bye bye.